Hello everyone, I'm Ankita and welcome back to my channel Datacraft 111. Today we are tackling an interesting question that combines our user data with the search activity. If you have missed some of the important contents like explanation about the data and on how what is the case study about, you can watch the previous videos. I'll add the links to my description, but let's not waste much of our time and get back to our the last and the final question, that is question number 3. Okay, so we have we'll be working with two tables, that is the search queries and the users. As we know, the search queries contains information about individual search interactions, and the user table, it holds the user details like user id, username and sign up date, right? So here's our question for users who signed up in the first week of October 2024. Example October 1 to 7. How many search queries did they make in total? So, why this question? This question, it helps us to understand the behavior of new users, right? Are users who recently signed up using search more or less frequently than the established users? So, this can be valuable for onboarding and understanding the user adoption. So let's break it down by typing in our search query, the SQL query. Let's type in. Okay, so this query select count sq.query underscore id, it this counts the total number of the search queries, right? So we use sq.query underscore id to be clear that we are counting the queries from the search queries table, all right? So now this from search underscore queries sq, this join uses on sq. Wait, let me write down the second query as well, like the fifth step. Yeah. So now let me break this down. Now the from search underscore queries sq join users on sq dot user underscore id. This values, okay, this is a join operation. We are using the aliases sq from the search queries. Okay, and you, what is this for? And you, this is for the users to make the query shorter and more readable. All right, this the join here, okay, this combines the rows from the two tables where the user id value match. Okay, so this connects each search query to the user who made it. All right, then we'll type in our next query, where. So the filters here, the combined data, that is the serve time, that is the percent y u dot sign up underscore date, okay, equal to 2024. This select the users who signed up in the year, sorry, it should be 2024. I'm 2024. Okay, so this 2024, it's like this selects the users who signed up in the year 2024. Okay, so we are extracting the year from the sign up date in the users table. All right, now let's we'll type in the second query. This now I'll explain this thing. And stuff time, okay, person m u dot sign up underscore date equals 10. So this further filters for the users, okay, this further filters for the users who signed up in October, that is the 10th of the month, right? And finally, no, not finally, sorry, and cast stuff time, put a box, integer, okay, between 1 and 7 close. Okay, so I'll break down this SQL query. So we have finished till the month, that is till the, what do we say, that is the 10th of the month. Okay, and then now I'm going to explain this cast query. So here cast as integer, okay, this converts that the day to a number. Okay, so we can use between. All right, so this between 1 and 7, it select the users who signed up on the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, or 7th of the October. All right, so that's all. It was a very easy query. So this query, what is the purpose? This query, it connects the search queries and the user table filters, user tables. Okay, it for the, like, wait, this query, the search queries and the users tables, this filters for the users who signed up in the first week of October 2024. Okay, and then it counts all the search queries made by those users. Okay, so this results, what does it say? It says, it tells us that the total search activity of the new users during the first week. Okay, so this helps us understand initial user behavior. Okay, and the importance of search for the new users, right? So that's how we can use SQL to analyze the user behavior across different tables. By joining these tables and applying filters, we can answer complex questions and gain valuable insights, right? So that's all for the third question. Now in my SQL, sorry, in this interview master AI, when I solve the third question, It said like finally this query worked, and congratulations, you have completed all the questions in this problem set. Okay, so your analysis will help the Google search quality team understand the user engagement with search results by identifying how interactions like clicking on links and spending time on the result page impact satisfaction. Your insights can guide improvements in search results relevance and enhance the overall user experience. Okay, so this platform is really great for practicing the SQL questions of different companies of different cases. Well, I hope this entire tutorial of solving the question of user engagement with search quality by Google has helped you learn. I learned as well. So that's all for this entire playlist, dear viewers. And I'll be coming up with few more case studies in my next videos. If you liked my tutorial, please like and subscribe. Also, keep learning, keep practicing, okay, and always be in action. Thank you.